I really enjoy that you can not only learn about the theory, but then literally just today, the day after learning things, I got to apply it right away. And I enjoy that you can see what you're learning right in front of you, and it's not just on a book.
BIYSC has reached 10 editions, welcoming more than 1,000 students coming from over 70 countries. And every year we continue to grow. This has been the biggest edition yet, bringing together outstanding scientists that engage in such meaningful and immersive research projects.
Because it's an international program, there are people from various different backgrounds, so it's been really interesting to learn about different cultures and different lifestyles.
I think have an open minded because you're going to meet a lot of people, a lot of cultures, and also it's going to be a very intensive week.
Really inspired to hear about the 16 research centers coming from different parts of Barcelona.
I learned how to work in a lab, like a real-life experience for possible job opportunities in the future, and learning how to collaborate with my peers in the science fields.
Now I realize that there's a lot more like mechanical engineering, there's a lot more like hands-on practicality that I really do love about science.
It feels like we're all like really connected. Everybody likes each other, and it's like a really positive environment to like learn and like make friends.
During these 2 weeks, the staff team has been the beating heart of BIYSC. They have made this experience truly unforgettable for all participants.
Today we went into an open heart surgery, and that was great because I want to be a cardiovascular surgeon in the future. So seeing how our heart is in real life and actually seeing it live in front of my eyes was a bit crazy, so I enjoyed that.
In school, it's like you learn the content, but a lot of the time there isn't a real-world application, and coming here and seeing the Mare Nostrum, you can see how like people interact and like the careers that people have. And specifically in our course with learning about urban design, we can like apply it to our own cities. And I think it's been really informative for like changing my perspective on science.
I've made many great friends that I don't want to say goodbye to when the 2 weeks end. Not only that, but also the project, which I love. We go to the anechoic chamber, to the recording studio, and we also got to see La Pedrera, and also the amazing staff and the activities they do.
I feel like I've really learned a lot, especially like what it is like to work as a researcher. We've been doing like behavioral video analysis, and I found that like really enlightening on what it will truly be like in the future, and it's inspired me to continue my journey to study neuroscience.
I think this program will have a significant impact because it provides challenge way beyond the school curriculum, which, as me personally who loves science, it gives me the challenge, allowing me to move onwards in the maths career, since I'm doing the maths course right now.
My program, and I'm like the people I met, their programs, and I'm seeing what they're doing and how much research goes into things, and I learned so much more about the process of it, and I think that it was so interesting to learn that.
I'm definitely like really satisfied with everything I've been learning so far.
I think this connection between staff members and participants is truly special because these staff members have been through the same experiences as the participants. They have participated in BIYSC or in other science programs of Fundació Catalunya La Pedrera, so they really know how this experience feels like from the inside.
I think for them it's like really valuable to see how the daily life in a hospital for doctors, because maybe they're considering some science degrees to study in the future, and this really helps to them to decide what they want to do, how they want to do it, and to know how it's the reality like behind the degree.
All the people who are around me share the same passion with me, so I can talk to them about anything around this matter, and I can also build new connections and feel safer basically around here.
I think it's going to have a very big impact on my future and what I choose for college.
I think that for them it may be an opportunity to give them information about real things and real life.
They need some kind of connection to the real world, to the future, to what their future self could be doing. And I think it's very important to get to know people that have been in your position and that have pursued a career in something that you find interesting, but you are not sure how it can end.
I've never really worked in a scientific area where there's so many people who are that experienced. I've only ever worked with teachers. So
So having that change of mindset really helped me learn more, but also like look into how it would potentially be if I were to work in a research area.
I feel like it's a good way into seeing like my future, right? And seeing like how people before me who have similar interests in like genetics, because we're doing genetics and genomics.
Working with my friends taught me this, and I think I can be able to apply this in the future. It will help me a lot.
One of the things we're most proud of is staying connected with our alumni. We're still in touch with participants from the very first editions, and they are now pursuing their PhDs, they are taking on high impact roles in research and in industry around the globe, and they take the time to reach back, to give advice to current students, to share their experiences and to inspire the next generation.
I went to BIYSC in 2017 in its second edition. BIYSC has always been on my mind since then, and being here today as one of the researchers for the guys, it's been really like a full circle moment, and yeah, I'm really glad that I'm here.
10 years in the future, I think I'll probably be wearing some kind of lab coat in some kind of lab somewhere, and I'll be researching around this exact topic, something about regeneration, something about immortality or aging, because I am genuinely very, very interested in it.
BIYSC is a really enriching experience, as I've met people from all parts of the world, and I take a lot of fellows and network that I can do in the future.
Every time that the people that come here to talk to us and to explain things, it's like they know so much about like not only planarians but biology and life, and I feel inspired because I want to be like them.